I think he likes Pop-Tart Cat now. Stop screaming. That's a good thing. He's still like shaking though. I can tell if he's probably gonna fly away any second.